Welcome everyone, we will now begin. And welcome to the present moment. Before we get started, remind yourself that this time is for you and you alone. Allow no distractions, no worries, and no to-do lists to interfere with your time. Take a moment to make yourself comfortable where you are. Maybe straighten your back or trace gentle circles with the nose, relaxing your neck. Roll your shoulders back and down. Release any tension from your fingers or toes. Let your tongue soften and lay flat. When you've reached a place of stillness, begin to deepen your breath. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Again. Turn your awareness to the ground beneath you. Firm, strong. As you continue to breathe, travel from the crown of the head downward. Feel the crown grow light like a feather, and then carry on down. Forehead, the mouth. Feel the rib cage loosen and float upwards. As you breathe, it becomes harder and harder to keep yourself anchored to the ground as your freed upper body pulls you upwards. Resist it as you travel on down through the arms and belly. When you reach your hips, visualize two tight locks begin to unscrew themselves, and on the count of 3, burst open. 1, 2, 3. Light and freed. Go through the rest of your body and gently release it. Thighs, knees, all the way down the legs and to the feet. Mental countdown from the big toe to the pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel that pinky loosen and let go. 5. You are free. Still breathing consciously, feeling yourself light, floating, unencumbered, yet still somehow grounded in knowing, in the present moment. Close your eyes if you haven't already, and visualize before you the following mantras. I am alive. I am free. I am capable. I am strong. Notice what images come to mind with each of these phrases. What thoughts and feelings appear. Do not judge them or push them away, but rather embrace them. Let them be as they are. Repeating silently to yourself, I am alive. I am free. I am capable. I am strong. Visualize the energy of these words flowing through your body. With each mantra, another part of your body becomes flooded with this unstoppable, warm light and energy. I am alive. Your feet begin to wake up. Feel the energy rise up from the earth that supports you and flow freely through your legs. I am free. Feel the energy rise through your navel and belly, all the way up through the lungs. Take a deep breath and feel your chest expand. I am capable. The energy now flows through the joints of your shoulders and down your arms, past the elbows and to the tip of each finger. Close your hands into two strong fists, squeezing tightly, and then relax your fingers again, allowing them to gently fall open. I am strong. Feel the energy rise up through your throat, expanding as you continue to breathe through your face and head, all the way to the crown, back to the top once more. With this energy within you, allow nothing and no one to stand between you and your goals today. I am alive. I am free. I am capable. I am strong. Repeat these phrases in your mind to yourself, knowing them as truth, believing them more with each repetition, feeling that energy flowing through you, filling every part of your body with strength, with capability, with freedom and life. If any distracting thoughts come to mind, do not engage with them. Let them float away. You have no time for them here, and so you let each of them go. Every fear, frustration, worry, even boredom. Watch them float away on the great big ocean in your mind, and bring yourself back to your mantras. I'm alive. I am free. I am capable. I am strong. If you are having trouble remembering the words, then choose one or two of the mantras, the ones that resonate with you the most, that you feel the energy flowing through you the strongest, or perhaps the one that you feel you need most in this moment, and just repeat it again and again in your head, synchronized with your breath, grounding you in this moment. I am alive. I am free. I am capable. I am strong. Feeling the fullness of yourself within you, feeling as alive and free and capable and strong as you ever have, yet still knowing that it is simply a fraction of your potential. Allow your eyes to open and let us repeat the mantras one last time, aloud, after me. I am alive. I am free. I am capable. I am strong. Ending on a note of strength, take a final deep breath in through the nose and let it all out through the mouth, bringing today's meditation to a close, ready to go forward into the rest of your day, bringing all of this strength with you.